I am not going to concern myself with that mysterious group hidden away somewhere in the caverns of the Pentagon in Washington, who identify themselves as Project Saucer, now disbanded, and who issue statements to the press unidentified by any individual name, to the effect that the flying saucers of today are hoaxes and figments of the imagination of the American people who pay their taxes, that these men may claim that they are ignorant and blind as to what they see. Let them pull the visors of their brass hats over their eyes as they choose, so that they cannot look into the skies above them as others can do, with their lips sealed as to the truth of what they already know. As for me, I am going to speak my piece and let the chips fall where they will.